You got to try this, guys. This is Cash App Plus Plus. It allows you to get $300 daily for free into the Cash App. It's super cool. I'm going to show you guys exactly to get this. It's super amazing. It works on iPhone and Android. So let's get right into the guide. So as you guys can see right here, I have the Cash App Plus Plus. So I'm going to open it up, and it looks kind of basic like a normal Cash App, but the Add Cash button, you can press it, and it's going to add money to your account, guys. And you can actually cash up $300 for free daily, guys. So this is super neat. You can add up to $300 for free. So as you guys can see, I press Add Cash, and the money just keeps coming in. So it's super neat, and I just can't even believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So this is super amazing because you can basically get free money, $300 per day. So that is definitely awesome. So as you guys can see right here, it's just going up. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. It's super amazing, and I'm going to show you right here. When you go to cash out, you just press the cash out button, and you're going to see that it actually lets you do it. So this is amazing. I'm going to do it right here. So let's do cash out, and as you can see, guys, it says cash out successful. Check your Cash App balance. So let's go ahead and open up Cash App. You can see it says $300 daily limit reached, so that is the daily limit, but I think $300 per day is still really good. So let's go ahead and open up the normal Cash App now and see if that money has been added to our account. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up right here. So let me just give it a minute. Right now I got 458 existing. So let's see if we are added any money. So I'm going to let it load here. This can take a minute, guys. It can be slow sometimes, but I promise eventually the money is going to come in there. So I'd say, oh my gosh, I didn't even have to say it. It's just pouring in now. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. It's super amazing, guys, and it's definitely worth it if you're interested in getting some free money onto the Cash App. So let's give it a minute. There we go, 758 now. That's super cool. So let's get into the guide, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So it's super amazing, guys. So yeah, look at that. That's awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys where you need to go. So I'm going to delete the Cash App Plus Plus just so I can show you guys how to download it from the beginning. So you want to go ahead and go over to this site. So you want money like this? Check it out. So the site where you can download this, guys, is the TweakMod site. This is tweakmod.com. It has a ton of mods for apps and games. The team at TweakMod is doing some work on these cool modded apps, making a lot of stuff. So I'm going to go to the search bar, type in Cash App. You can see it comes right up, and you want to go ahead and press install, and then wait until the progress bar reaches the end, and it's going to install a configuration profile onto your device. Now, if you're using an Android phone, it will install an APK. This is the latest version of the Cash App Plus Plus, which means it has things like anti-ban built in, so the Cash App team is not going to know that you're using this, which is an awesome benefit. So let's give it a minute for this to go ahead and download. I highly recommend checking out TweakMod if you're using popular apps like Snapchat. You can get like a plus version. I think you can get like free games. You can get like free Tinder Gold. So it's super neat website. So the bar's at the end now, so we should get the circle going around in the prompt. So I'm just going to give it a minute for this to go ahead and load. There goes the circle, and then we should get the prompt. So let's check it out. And as you guys can see right here, it says, do you want to allow this? So you just want to go ahead and press allow. And then you want to go ahead and press close. And then all you have to do is go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile to your device. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up settings. And once you're in settings, you just want to go ahead and find the profile downloaded message at the top. Go ahead, press on that, and then you want to go ahead and press install. And then after you press install, just go ahead and press next. And then there's going to be another install message, and there's going to be another one in red. Press that, go to your home screen, and you've got it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely try this one out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. It's an amazing trick. Guys, you got to try this for yourself. It is awesome. So yeah, really, really cool. This is just amazing. It's definitely worth trying if you're interested in getting some free money, guys. Really, really cool. It's amazing stuff. Try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.